Agentic Quant research is here. We're building AlphaLab. You focus on the ideas, research agents do the rest. I'm Tariq. I'm an engineer trader. I started as a software engineer at Microsoft and Google, where I worked for around 16 years. On the side, I got into trading. I started manual trading, mainly crypto and futures. Eventually, I decided to automate my trading strategies. Along the way, I discovered something. I call it the quant gap. There's a big gap between what is available to quantitative researchers at big firms and what is available outside of these firms. Within these firms, there are huge teams that handle data pipelines, data correctness, proper machine learning integration, AI integration, proper testing of your trading hypotheses. Outside these firms, you're kind of left between assembling existing pieces from different platforms and implementing different things that are not available within these pieces. You end up spending most of your time on infrastructure rather than iterating on your ideas. That is a big disadvantage. AlphaLab replaces most of these teams. You focus on the idea, AlphaLab does the rest. AlphaMind is how you use AlphaLab. AlphaMind is our LLM integration. It understands trading all the way from basic concepts to advanced quantitative research. AlphaMind has full access to the platform. It works alongside you as a companion. Working with AlphaMind, you can create a strategy, iterate on it, submit a backtest, analyze the result, and come up with another idea. Alternatively, you can use the fully autonomous cloud research agents. You work with AlphaMind to come up with your hypotheses or your exploration space. You define what the research agent is allowed to change and what it is not allowed to change. You give it all the restrictions and the freedom to explore. You even tell it what time period it's allowed to look at data and what time period it's not allowed to look at data. Out of sample and in sample. AlphaLab was built for advanced quantitative researchers. If you're a quant looking to get a real advantage using AI, AlphaLab will get you there. AlphaLab wasn't just built for the advanced quant researchers. For the aspiring quants, we have the AlphaLab Academy. The Academy is a set of courses that takes you from what is a trading market all the way to building advanced quantitative research strategies. These are not video courses you watch. These are courses driven by AlphaMind interactively within the platform. You learn quantitative research as you're learning AlphaLab. Today, I want to announce the Founding 20 program. We're looking for 10 aspiring quants and 10 working quants at any level to join the Founding 20 program. The Founding 20 members will get free access to our most advanced tier for 1 full year. In return, we ask for your feedback and ongoing structured feedback to improve AlphaLab. If you get accepted into the Founding program and complete the full year of activity and feedback with us, you will continue to have free access to the advanced tier for as long as you're using it. AlphaLab is at alphalab.ai. The applications for the Founding 20 program are open. Subscribe if you want to follow what we're building at AlphaLab.